Welcome to our next class, students. Today I'm going to start 6th chapter, that is simultaneous equations. Last week I started midpoint theorem. That chapter is not in the syllabus. So start with this chapter. Children, there are three methods of simultaneous, how to solve simultaneous or two equations together. There are three methods. One is elimination by substitution, then elimination by equating coefficients, then cross multiplication method. So our first exercise is based upon solve the following pair of equations using elimination by substitution method. Children, all of you are familiar with the word substitution. Your teachers are also getting substitution periods. So substitution means replacement. Clear? So here you can see two equations are given to you. What you will do? From one equation you will find out value of any variable and then you will put it in the another equation. Like as from first equation, what I did, 8x is equal to 9. I took 5y this side. From here x is equal to 9 minus 5y divided by 8. Now this value of x I am going to put in equation number 2. Clear? Then put x in equation number 2. So in place of x, I am going to replace this 3 as it is. In place of x, what I wrote, 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y as it is equal to 4. Now children, 3 multiplied by 9, 27. 3 multiplied by 5, 15y upon 8 plus the rest of equation as it is I wrote. Now you have to take LCM. LCM will be 8. 27 minus 15y, 8 2s are 16y is equal to 4. From here, equate like terms, 27 as it is, 16 minus 15 is 1y is equal to 8 4s are 32. So from here you will get y, and then after finding the value of y, put this value in x, which already we got. Clear? So when we'll put the value, x will be equal to 9 minus 5y over 8. In place of y, what I wrote, 5, and after solving you will get x is equal to 2. Now question number 4th of same exercise, it is this kind of equation is given, and the first equation is in the standard form, x followed by y and then constant. Another equation is given in this form, so let's write this in standard form. Open the bracket, it will be, or what we can do children, we can take 2 common. I can see from here, I can take 2 common which I have taken. Then here you are left with x minus 2 as it is, minus 1.6 divided by 2, what you will get, 0.8y is equal to 116. Children, when you will take 2 this side, 116 and 2 will get cancelled, that will be 58. Now x minus 0.8y is equal to this 2, will transpose that side, it will become 60. Now our equation is in standard form, you can see. Now from this equation only, what I did, x is equal to 60, I got the value of y. This value can be found from equation 1 also, it's your wish. So this value I am going to put in equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. 0.2 as it is I wrote, and in place of x what I wrote, 60 plus 0.8y plus rest of the equation as it is. Now I am going to solve children. When you will multiply 0.2 with 60, what you will get, 12. I have solved here. Then 0.2 into 0.8, you will get 0.16y plus 0.1y is equal to 25. Now when you will add these two, you will get 0.26y and transpose 12 that side. You will get y is equal to 13, and 0.26 when you will take this side, remove the decimals, the value of y is equal to 50. Now put this value of y in equation number 1. I chose equation 1 because that is easy to find out, but you can put it in any equation. So this is equation number 1. Here y was there, in place of y I wrote 50. In the next step I remove the decimal, 0 0 will get cancelled. So after solving you will get the value of x as 10. 9th question children. Again it is not in the standard form. So let's write, open the bracket, 2x minus 6 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y is equal to, when you will transpose 6 and 15 that side, that will be 21. Second equation is this, open the brackets. Clear? Then 5y plus 4y minus 5 minus 16 is minus 21. When you will transpose it this side, it will be 21. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 2, I got the value of x. 5x, transpose it this side, x is equal to 21 minus 4y upon 5. Now this value of x we have to put in equation 1. This is our equation number 1. 2 into, in place of x what we'll write, 21 minus 4y upon 5 plus 3y is equal to 21. Now let's multiply. 21 2s are 42, 2 4s are 8 upon 5 plus 3y is equal to 21. LCM is 5. 42 minus 8y, 5 3s are 15y is equal to 21. Now transpose 5 over here. 21 5s are 105. 42 plus 15 minus 8 is 7y. From here 7y is equal to 105 minus 42 and y is 9. Now put this value over here. Y is 9. We can put it over here. So what it will become? X is equal to 21 minus 4 into 9. Okay, I replace the values with this. X is equal to 3. Yes beta, 13th question. Again not in the standard form. Take LCM. 6 divided by 2, 3, and 3 3s are what? 9. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 5s are 10. You know that 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. When you will take 6 this side, 6 zeros will become 0. 9x minus 10y, and when you will transpose 12 that side, it will be negative 12. This is equation 1. This is second equation. In the same way, we have to take LCM. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 into x is 2x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into y is 3y is equal to 13 over 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled, and this is the standard equation. Now from this equation, I got the value of x, that is 13 minus 3y. Now as we have done in other sums, this value we will substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 will become 9. Multiply, in place of x we'll write 13 minus 3y over 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now children, let's multiply. 13 9s are 117, 9 3s are 27y, and when you will take LCM, 10 into 2 is 20y is equal to minus 12. 117 minus, both are like terms, minus minus will be plus. When you will add, 47y is equal to 2 into 12 is minus 24. After this children, minus 47y is equal to minus 24, transpose 117 this side, you will get this. Then y is equal to minus 141 over 47. After cutting, you will get y is equal to 3. And x value already we got. Put y in that. 13 minus 3 into. Here in place of y we will write 3 and x will be 2. Answer will be 2. Exercise B, elimination method. This is what? Elimination method, and mostly we are using this method. This is shortcut and easy method. So let's see children. This is the given equation but not in the proper form. How we are writing? X, 9x we kept over here only. Then when you will take 2y this side, will change to minus 2y, and 13 this side only we kept. Clear? So this is the standard form. Second equation is written like this. So what you people have to do children? Mark this equation as 1 and this as 2. Keep in mind, same variable should be under same. X under x, y under y, constant under constant. Now what we'll do? We'll multiply this equation with the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 7. So I'm going to multiply this first equation with 7, and second equation will multiply the coefficient of 9, coefficient of x of first equation. What is the coefficient? 9. So we'll multiply it with 9. We'll get to know why we are doing so. 7 9s are 63x, 7 2s are 14y, 13 7s are 91, 9 7s are 63, 9 3s are 27y, 9 zeros are 0. So why we did so? To make them same. Now after that children, you have to subtract. When you will subtract, you know that sign of this equation will change. This 63 was positive, will change to negative. This negative will change to positive. It was positive, will change to negative. Now look children, this 63 is positive, this 63 is negative. So they will get cancelled. Now minus plus minus. 27 minus 14 is 13. Sign of greater number. This is greater. So what is the sign? Plus, it will be positive. Don't consider this sign now because we have already changed the signs. 91 minus 0 is 91. From here, y is equal to 7. Now this value you can put in any equation, either 1, either 2. I put this value in equation number 2. When you will replace y with 7, you will get the value of x also. Clear? Fourth question of this exercise. It is written in this form, so let's write it in the standard form. I took 4 over here, 5 over here, cross multiplication. Then after I opened the brackets, clear? Then 4x, transpose y this side, 8 that side. Why? To maintain the order, proper order. 4x then followed by y, then constant. Second equation was this, clear? And usually constant we take this side, so I took -4 this side. Clear? Now this is equation 1 and 2. Same procedure, children. Equations together I wrote. Now first equation I will multiply with, see, what I feel that 26, it will be difficult. That is a number with I feel difficult. So you can choose variable y also. What is the coefficient of y here? 3. So I multiplied it with 3. What is the coefficient of y here? 5. So I multiplied. It is your wish. If you want to multiply with the coefficient of x or y, you can choose any. I chose y here. Clear? Now let's multiply. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 13 3s are 39. Same thing. 5 26 are 130x. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. It was minus, so minus 20. Next step is to subtract. When we'll subtract, signs will change. Positive will change to negative. Positive will change to negative. And negative will change to positive. Now you can see this 15y is positive, this 15y is negative, will get cancelled. Now children, 12 minus 130 will be, it will be what? Yes students, plus minus minus, 130 minus 12 is 108. 18 sorry, sign of greater number. Please cut this portion, is equal to 39 plus 20 is 59. Now from here children, x is equal to 59. Take 118 this side. When you will cancel it, it is 1 by 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now put this value in equation number 1 or 2 as you wish. I took equation 1. That was 4 into x. X is minus 1 by 2 plus 5y is equal to 13. 4 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get 5y is equal to 13. Here you are left with minus 2, and when you will take minus 2, that side will change to plus 2. Y is equal to 15 over 5. Y is equal to 3.